Michelle McKinnon is here, Eddie Ghabour is here, Susan Lee and Ashley Webster all together now. Okay, President Trump meets Xi Jinping on Saturday. Eddie, President Xi laid down some pretty strong terms this morning. Stop the restrictions on Huawei, get rid of all the tariffs. That's what we want. That's a pretty hard line. What does that tell you?
If he takes that hardline stance on Saturday during the meeting, I believe President Trump walks away from the table. That's not going to be good for the market, but I think that's the right move. We have all the leverage in this negotiation right now. Our economy is strong. They're suffering. Manufacturers are leaving China right now. They're having to put stimulus in their economy. It's not going to be good for the market short term, but eventually they're going to have to come to the table.
Okay.
Best case, they do not come with that hardline stance. They'll say we'll put a temporary halt on the $300 billion in tariffs, and we'll continue negotiations, and that will satisfy the market.
That market would go up on that.
We'll know Saturday how the market's going to open Monday.
Yes, we will. All right. Facebook's chief, Zuckerberg, he's okay with regulation of the company for privacy purposes, but he does not want the company to be broken up. Eddie, it seems to me like he's charting a middle ground course here, which probably is quite promising for the company.
It is, and I think that's reasonable. Look, they're going to have regulation, and I don't think it's necessary to break up the companies, but certainly regulation in regards to privacy needs to be put into place.
Okay, but don't break them up.
Exactly.
You wouldn't want that. Boeing and regulators discover a new technical flaw in the 737 MAX jet. The headaches just keep on coming, don't they? That's a headache right now. You're down $9 at 365. That stock has not really recovered. It's had its ups, but it's had its loads of downs.
Yeah.
Would you buy it? The high on Boeing was 446, and it's now at 364. You wouldn't buy it?
The amazing thing with Boeing, though, is it hasn't taken the hit you would really think with something so big. They put all their eggs in this 737 MAX, and that's the business risk a company takes. When all your eggs are in that basket and it fails, there could potentially be a lot more downside if this continues to delay.
Bitcoin. It touched $14,000 a coin overnight. Then one of the exchanges crashed.
Coinbase.
Thank you.
Coinbase.
Just fill in my sentences for me. At my age, you need that. Coinbase crashed. Down it went. I don't know whether you'd touch it with a 10-foot pole or not. I can't remember.
Look, it's something that people ask us about all the time. But when it comes to investing, I prefer to be able to open up the books and look at the balance sheet. What is behind Bitcoin? And how many people are able to manipulate the price? You know, there could be highly concentrated people that own this, and there's a lot of exchanges trading it that probably aren't even properly regulated at this time. When something moves like this, in my opinion, I'm conservative, as you know, when it comes to investing. I think it's way too speculative for our client base.
Okay. Why don't we take a look at Amazon and the other major retailers? Prime Day, 2 weeks away. Amazon's rivals jumping on the Prime Day's bandwagon. They got deals of their own. Look, seems to me that I want to get back to this because Amazon is a trendsetter. It's a cultural phenomenon, right?
They are, absolutely. And look, this competition they're bringing is good. It's strong. The prices will come down, but at the end of the day, they may penetrate the market, but Amazon is going to continue to be the leader in this space for the foreseeable future.
Sorry, Eddie, I come all the way here and you get 10 minutes of glory. Your kids are in the studio. Lads, you're all right? Excellent. Next time you're here, you're going to tell me what is the capital of Egypt, okay? Right. Michelle, do you know?
Yes.
Cairo. Got it right. Smart lads. Oh, excellent. Eddie, Michelle, thank you very much indeed.